Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you find yourself constantly stressed about how to make ends meet, with bills piling up and no relief in sight? Do you dream of a life where money is no longer a constant worry? A life where you can afford the things you desire without hesitation, and where financial stress is a thing of the past? Financial freedom is within your reach. It's not just a distant dream, but a tangible goal that you can achieve with the right strategies and mindset. It's time to take control of your finances and build a future where you are the master of your own destiny. By organizing your finances, setting clear goals, and seeking professional advice, you can pave the way to financial independence. Many people struggle to make ends meet. They face the constant pressure of overdue bills and the anxiety of not knowing how to manage their money effectively. They feel trapped in a cycle of debt and financial insecurity. This cycle can seem never-ending, but there are ways to break free and regain control. But it doesn't have to be this way. With determination and the right approach, you can turn your financial situation around and start seeing positive changes. Independent wealth is achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. It requires dedication, education, and a willingness to make smart financial decisions. Imagine a life where you can pursue your passions without financial constraints. Whether it's traveling, starting a new hobby, or investing in a creative project, financial freedom opens up endless possibilities. Picture yourself retiring comfortably, traveling the world, or simply enjoying the peace of mind that comes with financial security. The freedom to live life on your own terms is priceless. This is the power of financial freedom. It's about more than just money. It's about the freedom to live your life fully and without worry. It's time to stop dreaming and start taking action. Begin by setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. In the following sections, we'll explore the steps you can take to achieve financial independence and live the life you deserve. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, we'll guide you on your journey to financial freedom. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for Chapter 2, where we dive deeper into the steps to achieve financial independence. Debt is a heavy burden that can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. It can feel overwhelming and all-consuming, affecting not just your finances, but your overall well-being and peace of mind. It's like a ball and chain around your ankles, holding you back from experiencing true financial freedom. The weight of debt can make it difficult to move forward and achieve the dreams you have for yourself and your family. The first step to building wealth is to break free from the shackles of debt. This means taking decisive action to eliminate the debts that are holding you back. Start by creating a budget and sticking to it. A well-planned budget helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to allocate funds towards debt repayment. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and redirect that money towards debt repayment. This might mean cooking more meals at home, shopping smarter, or cancelling unnecessary subscriptions. Consider using the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. Each small victory will motivate you to tackle the next debt. As you begin to pay down your debts, you'll free up more cash flow that you can then direct towards savings and investments. This is the key to building long-term financial stability. Remember, every dollar you pay towards debt is a dollar that is no longer working against you. Instead, it becomes a building block for your financial future. It's time to take control of your finances and break free from the debt cycle. By doing so, you can create a more secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. With determination and a solid plan, you can escape the grip of debt and pave the way for a brighter financial future. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards of financial freedom are well worth the effort. Many people feel overwhelmed and intimidated by the world of finance. They lack the basic knowledge and understanding of how money works, making it difficult to make informed financial decisions. But financial literacy is not rocket science. Educate yourself about personal finance, read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. Learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Seek guidance from financial advisors or mentors who can provide personalized advice and support. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the realm of finance, it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. By investing in your financial education, you'll gain the confidence and skills needed to navigate the complex world of money and make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Section 4. Building your wealth fortress. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are the cornerstones of wealth building. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making consistent, disciplined efforts over time. Start by establishing an emergency fund. This will provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses. Once you have an emergency fund in place, you can begin investing. Explore different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Consider working with a financial advisor to develop an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by market fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and continue to invest consistently. Over time, the power of compounding will work its magic, helping your wealth grow exponentially. Section 5. The entrepreneurial spirit, creating your own destiny. Entrepreneurship offers a path to financial freedom by allowing you to create your own destiny. It empowers you to take control of your future and shape it according to your vision and goals. It's about identifying opportunities, taking risks, and building something of value. This journey requires creativity, resilience, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Don't be afraid to pursue your passions and turn them into profitable ventures. Your unique skills and interests can be the foundation of a thriving business. Start by identifying a need in the marketplace and develop a product or service that meets that need. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience and their preferences. Create a solid business plan, secure funding if necessary, and be prepared to work hard. A well-thought-out plan will guide your efforts and help you stay focused on your objectives. Entrepreneurship is not without its challenges, but the rewards can be substantial. Overcoming obstacles and solving problems will make you stronger and more capable. By building your own business, you'll have the opportunity to control your own income, create jobs, and build something you're passionate about. Your success can also inspire others to follow their dreams. Remember, the greatest rewards often come from taking calculated risks and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Embrace uncertainty and use it as a driving force to innovate and grow. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and explore the possibilities that await you. The journey may be challenging, but the potential for personal and financial fulfillment is immense. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.